I think again this incident unmarks the character of Trinamool, their thought towards the women. I demand immediate resignation of Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Under her rule, no one is safe. The police can't make any kind of step. They can't do or can't make any kind of state without the direction of Trinamool Congress party in power. If TMC direct police to do this or not this one, what they will do? That's why they are not able to cooperating NCW, and it is quite shameful that the portion of police, they actually sell their spinal cord to the Kamak Street and Kalighat. So they know they can't do anything.